Do you want to know the reason why the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer? Well, if you want to know, I'm gonna explain the two things the rich knows while the poor don't in the easiest way that even an uneducated bystander can understand. If you want to be rich, you have to notice between assets versus liabilities. One of the reasons so many people are struggling financially today is simply because they're calling their liabilities assets, such as your house, your car, and other personal needs that don't generate income. We also have to understand a financial statement, because it is important. The definition of the two is overly simplified. It says what creates something is to be an asset. Assets puts money into your pocket, while a liability are the things that takes money from your pocket. Let's say a house, for example. It can be either of the two. A house can be an asset when you rent it to other people, knowing that it will put money in your pocket and generate monthly income. Remember, asset puts money in your pocket. It will be a liability when you use it for your personal needs. In that case, this house won't generate any income. Even if you say that the house is fully paid, you still have an insurance and maintenance for your house, and that takes money from your pocket, which is the definition of a liability. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned a lesson.